In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Excel to n8n. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right into the steps. First off, the very first thing we need to do is log into our n8n workspace. When you're in, go ahead and click on Create Workflow. This will take you to a new canvas where we can start setting everything up. You'll see a plus icon, which is where we want to click next. This icon allows us to add new nodes to our workflow. Just type in Microsoft Excel in the search bar. Depending on where your target storage is, you can also look for Microsoft OneDrive or SharePoint. Once you find the Microsoft Excel node, click to add it to your workflow. Now that we've got that in place, we need to move on to account authentication. This step is super important. Click on the Credentials section of your newly added Microsoft Excel node. Here, you'll see an option that says Create New Credential. Go ahead and click on that. What will happen next is a secure sign-in window will pop up. It will prompt you to log into your Microsoft account. Take a moment to enter your Microsoft credentials. This is your personal information, so make sure you log in with the account that has access to the Excel files you want to work with. Once you've logged in, the next step is granting permissions. This is a straightforward process and should take no longer than 30 seconds. You'll follow the prompts provided by Microsoft to authorize the integration. This step is crucial because granting these permissions allows n8n to securely read and write files on your behalf within your selected storage. After you've completed that, it's time to select your target spreadsheet. So, head back to the Node Configuration panel. Here, you will need to specify your file path on OneDrive or SharePoint. Navigate through to find the Excel file you want to work with. Once you have your file selected, you'll also want to choose your desired worksheet. But we're not done just yet. Now you'll need to decide what operation you'd like to perform with your Excel file. You have a few options at this stage. You can choose to read data from the spreadsheet, append a row, or even update existing data. Just select the operation that fits your workflow needs. Now, that's it. You've just connected Excel to n8n. Isn't that simple? Remember, each step is important to ensure a seamless integration and make the most of both Excel and n8n's powerful capabilities. If you run into issues along the way, don't hesitate to check the official n8n documentation or support forums for more help. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial, and if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on maximizing your workflow efficiency. Happy automating!